Hello and welcome to this training on the health benefits of vitamins. I know it may sound a little fundamental because you're in the business, some of you for many years, but maybe we can give you a little refresher, or if not, you should pass the quiz with flying colors. So let's go ahead and get started. As you know, there's been a lot of debate surrounding the importance of vitamins, but we can't forget one simple truth, and that is that vitamins are absolutely essential for our survival. Vitamins are organic compounds that are required in small amounts by all living organisms, and they cannot be synthesized by the human body, so they must be obtained through the diet, either from food or supplementation. And as you know, vitamins are necessary for growth, healthy metabolism, cellular function, and many, many other processes within the body. In fact, if we didn't have vitamins, our physical being and our health would quickly deteriorate. Now, did you know that there are 13 vitamins that are deemed essential for human health? They are vitamins A, C, D, E, and K, and then, of course, the B complex vitamins, which include thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, biotin, cobalamin, and folate or folic acid. And these 13 vitamins are classified into two different categories, water-soluble and fat-soluble. Most water-soluble vitamins, such as the B vitamins, must be obtained on a daily basis because they are quickly excreted and they have limited storage within the body. Now, on the other hand, fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin D, can be stored in fatty tissues and do not require daily replenishment. And as we know, a healthy, balanced diet may provide these essential vitamins in quantities that are sufficient to support good health. But this, of course, is contingent on a diet that is comprised of nutritious, whole foods grown in balanced soils. And we do know that we have seen the depletion of our soils over the many, many years. And today's highly processed foods and refined foods typically don't contain adequate levels of vitamins or other nutrients, so it does make supplementation advisable to help to bridge the nutrition gaps in our diet. And that's always a good way to look at it. Now, vitamin A is actually a group of fat-soluble retinoids and carotenoids, and there are two types of vitamin A found in our diet. The preformed vitamin A retinoids, such as retinol and its esterified form, retinyl ester, and also provitamin A carotenoids, such as beta-carotene. Vitamin A is important for many bodily functions, including normal visual function, immune system health, and of course, healthy bones, teeth, and skin. But did you also know that our bodies need vitamin A to utilize protein? Vitamin A is also classified as an antioxidant, and that means that it protects against free radical damage. Now, beta-carotene, on the other hand, belongs to a group of organic pigments that are found in plants and fruits. And once we ingest beta-carotene, it can be converted to vitamin A in the liver. But beta-carotene is only converted to vitamin A as it is needed by the body. So I thought that was interesting because it makes it a safe source even at high doses. So eat your sweet potatoes. Now let's talk about the B vitamins or B complex. We already know that this is a family of water-soluble vitamins, and they are important for the health of many different organs and systems within the body. B vitamins serve as coenzymes, which are biochemical cofactors that are necessary for a wide range of chemical reactions within the body. Now, the coenzyme form of a B vitamin is the biologically active form in the human body. And as you probably know, B vitamins are extremely important for nervous system health and for neurological health. But their roles as coenzymes make them very important for overall health and well-being. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, plays a central role in the generation of energy from carbohydrates. But it is also involved in RNA and DNA production, as well as healthy nervous system function. And it's involved in the production of hydrochloric acid, which we know is an important component of healthy digestion. The biologically active coenzyme form of B1 is thiamine co-carboxylase. Now, vitamin B2, or riboflavin, is important for circulatory and immune health, but it is especially important for the developing fetus during pregnancy. It's involved in the metabolism of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, and one biologically active coenzyme form of vitamin B2 is riboflavin 5-phosphate. Vitamin B3, or niacin, is also known as niacinamide and nicotinic acid, and it too plays a role in the metabolism of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, and like vitamin B2 is also involved in the production of hydrochloric acid. Now, the niacin, the nicotinic acid form, helps to support healthy circulation, and it can also help to maintain cholesterol levels already within the normal range. One biologically active coenzyme form of vitamin B3 is NAD, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. I think I said that right, but just remember it as NAD. It's much easier. Pantothenic acid, or vitamin B5, is extremely important for healthy cognitive function due to its role in the production of neurotransmitters. And like other B vitamins, it too is involved in the metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates for energy. But most importantly, pantothenic acid is required for the synthesis of coenzyme A, which is necessary for a very broad range of cellular functions within the body. And another form of vitamin B5 is pantothene. Now, vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, is involved in cardiovascular and immune system health, and it helps to balance sodium and potassium levels. Pyridoxine also plays a role in the production of the neurotransmitters dopamine, serotonin, epinephrine, and norepinephrine. And the biologically active coenzyme form of vitamin B6 is P5P. Now, biotin is often referred to as vitamin B7 and is necessary for normal growth and body function. It is a key regulatory element in the process of gluconeogenesis, and that is the generation of glucose from carbon sources. It's also important for fatty acid synthesis and in the metabolism of some amino acids. Alongside its role in energy production, biotin enhances the synthesis of certain proteins and promotes normal immunity. And as you probably already know, biotin is best known for its role in skin health and, to a lesser extent, for hair and nail health. Vitamin B12, or cobalamin, is perhaps the most well-known of the B vitamins. It is vitally important for the growth and health of the nervous system and for cellular growth and its longevity. It is involved in digestion and the absorption of foods, and it also plays a role in the metabolism of homocysteine, making it important for cardiovascular function. And like many other B vitamins, it's also involved in the metabolism of fats and carbohydrates. The biologically active coenzyme forms of vitamin B12 are dibencoxide and methylcobalamin. Folate or folic acid is especially important for women of childbearing age. I'm sure you're very well aware of that, as it has been in the media for many, many years. And it has been shown that adequate maternal levels are crucial for the normal development of the unborn child due to its involvement in the formation of fetal nerve structures. Folate is a coenzyme in the synthesis of DNA and RNA and is therefore necessary for the division and replication of cells. And the biologically active coenzyme form of folic acid is 5-methyl tetrahydrofolate. Choline is not technically a B vitamin, but it is typically classified as a related compound. This essential nutrient is involved in the metabolism of cholesterol and fat, which in turn supports liver health, and it is required for proper nerve impulse transmission in the form of acetylcholine. And like folate, choline is also especially important during pregnancy. In fact, in 2016, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration announced the establishment of a new daily value for choline, confirming its role as an essential nutrient with a reference daily intake of 550 milligrams. Inositol is also loosely considered a member of the B family, but it is not an essential nutrient. However, it too is involved in the metabolism of fat and cholesterol, and it can support normal fat metabolism in the liver. Inositol is also involved in molecular signaling pathways. Para-aminobenzoic acid, or easier to remember as PABA, is sometimes referred to as vitamin BX. But like choline and inositol, it isn't a true B-complex vitamin. PABA helps keep skin looking healthy and is often found in many skincare products. But did you also know that it's involved in protein metabolism and the formation of red blood cells? Moving out of the B vitamins and into one of my favorites, vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid and ascorbate, another water-soluble vitamin that's absolutely essential for humans and some animals, and it must be attained from the diet. It is a very well-known antioxidant nutrient, and it supports the immune system. But that's not all it does. Vitamin C is also involved in tissue growth and repair due to its role in the formation of collagen, which of course is the body's main structural protein. It is an electron donor for the creation of important enzymes, and it is also a cofactor in the production of numerous essential biochemicals. And vitamin C is involved in the synthesis of the amino acid carnitine as well as various neurotransmitters. Vitamin D is known as a fat-soluble vitamin, but it is actually a group of fat-soluble secosteroids, of which two of them, ergocalciferol and cholecalciferol, are important for humans. In the human body, the cholecalciferol can be synthesized from cholesterol in sun-exposed skin, hence its nickname, the sunshine vitamin. Cholecalciferol and ergocalciferol are both converted in the liver to the vitamin D metabolites that are measured in the blood serum to determine a person's vitamin D status. And you've probably heard of them. They are
25-hydroxycholecalciferol and 25-hydroxy-ergocalciferol.
Now, these in turn are precursors of the active forms of vitamin D. It's important to keep in mind that only the ergocalciferol can be synthesized from plant sterols or phytosterols, but both forms are beneficial for humans in dietary and supplemental forms. And of course, vitamin D enhances the intestinal absorption and metabolism of some dietary minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphate, and zinc. And we know that it plays an important role in skeletal health. And vitamin D is also critical for the maintenance of normal bone mineral density. But it also supports the immune system function, and recent research has shown that vitamin D may play a role in normal cardiovascular function as well. Vitamin E is alpha tocopherol, one of a group of 8 fat-soluble compounds, 4 tocopherols and 4 tocotrienols. It is a well-known antioxidant vitamin that inhibits the production of reactive oxygen species that are formed when fat is oxidized. Vitamin E is involved in a wide range of metabolic processes such as cell signaling and gene expression, and it's also important because it plays a role in normal blood clotting, immune system function, and neurological function. Vitamin K is a group of fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin K1 or phylloquinone, and vitamin K2, menaquinone. Vitamin K1 is found in a wide variety of green leafy vegetables due to its role in photosynthesis, and it is converted to vitamin K2 by microbial fermentation. Now, vitamin K2 is produced by bacteria, including some of the probiotic bacteria that are found in the human intestinal tract. Vitamin K is important for a number of metabolic processes in the body, such as the proper clotting of blood, and it's also important for the proper transport of calcium throughout the body. In fact, research shows that vitamin K is therefore important for bone health. Vitamin K2 in particular has been shown to play a pivotal role in vascular elasticity, and MK7 is a highly biologically active form of vitamin K2 that is derived from non-GMO natto, the Japanese fermented soy food. So that wraps up our training on these 13 essential vitamins. I hope you learned a few things that you didn't know, or at least it gave you a refresher of why you do what you do. I just want to mention that our full line of essential vitamins also includes a variety of multivitamin products, and we have formulations to meet specific needs of women, men, children, as well as comprehensive prenatal formulas that include the very vital DHA. And with now, of course, you get great quality, value, and selection. And our vitamin and multivitamin products are available in many different delivery forms, including vegetable capsules, gelatin capsules, tablets, chewables, soft gels, powders, liquids, and we also offer a wide range of potencies to suit individual needs. So when you combine our superior quality and our selection with our affordable pricing, the choice is easy for your vitamin needs. Thank you for joining me for this training on the health benefits of vitamins. I hope you learned something.